Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus for 1-year-old baby, only way. Start with cooked chickpeas and drain them well, then mash or blitz to a very smooth texture. Use plain tahini sparingly or omit, add a teaspoon of olive oil, and a tiny squeeze of lemon if baby tolerates it. Always check texture and temperature before serving and test for allergies with small amounts first. Keep the hummus exceptionally smooth and creamy so a 1-year-old can manage it easily. If the mixture is too thick, thin with breast milk, formula, or water until it spreads or can be spoon-fed. Avoid large chunks or whole chickpeas that may cause choking. Serve small spoonfuls and stay present while the baby eats, watching for any allergic reactions or signs of distress during the first tastes. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making baby food tips you can trust. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, soothing white noise during nap time, and playful music while you prep food. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it can make kitchen moments simpler and more fun. Now let's get back to the video. Offer hummus in small portions, pairing with steamed carrot sticks, soft pita, or mashed avocado for variety and nutrients. Keep leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge and use within 2 days to maintain freshness and safety. When reheating, warm gently and stir to even consistency, always checking temperature. Label containers with the date and discard if textures or smells change, and introduce new ingredients one at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.